Meaning of gearstick.
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 Gearstick. A gearstick, also known as a gear shifter, is a mechanical component found in manual transmission vehicles that allows the driver to control the movement of the gears. It typically consists of a handle that can be moved into different positions in order to engage/disengage different gears. The gearstick is essential for a driver to effectively operate a manual transmission vehicle, and it requires a certain level of skill and coordination to use properly. Overall, the gearstick plays a critical role in the functioning of manual transmission vehicles.